Hello everybody, I am here today with my good friend Dylan, and he has this 04? Yep. It's an 04? 04 WRX. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the car?
I bought the car from a gentleman about 2 hours away. Whenever I bought it, it had some issues with not wanting to start up for me, things like that. Initially, I thought that it was just a fuel pump and that the guy I bought it off of was having some issues that he didn't realize he was having. After I brought it home, replaced about every sensor under the hood, the fuel pump, injectors, everything like that. Finally, within the past 4 days, got it running the way it needs to. I've been in communication with my tuner, and now we're getting it up and moving. So it's all aftermarket.
So this is the car. It is insane looking. It's wide bodied. It's wrapped this really cool blue purple. It's got the hood scoop delete.
It's dirty right now.
Big old front mount. Big wide tires. Camber. Big wing. It's got the whole 9 yards. Pop the hood and you can see it's got the good old the hood clips. The engine, nothing here is stock. It's got some flashy colors, some bits and bobs, some things.
If you've ever seen a stock EJ205 engine bay in one of these, there's no room to get your hands in anywhere. It's all deleted, all been moved, everything like that. So,
what size turbo is this?
it's a 3576R.
Makes lots of good turbo noises.
It does.
Alright, so this is going to be the cold start of the WRX. That sounds a lot better now that it's been tuned.
It does. It truly does.
Numbers look kind of normal almost.
Yeah, they're getting back to normal. That RPM will shoot back down.
Yeah, once it gets out of closed loop.
Yeah. That was 10 PSI.
10 PSI.
On this turbo, by the time we're done and everything, will be between 25 and 28.
So we got some ways to go.
Yeah, this is only revision number 2 of 15 by Torqued Performance. I'm doing an E-tune with them. So.
All right, I'll have a link to them down in the description. That's pretty good. Alright, so that is Dylan's insane big turbo WRX. He scared the pants both off of me and my girlfriend. It's quite the build. He's definitely got a lot of potential once he cranks the turbo up. Like I said, it's only running at 10 PSI right now. and he's looking to push between what, 25 and 28.
25 and 28 by the
Yeah.
time the tune's done.
So if you enjoy his build, I'm sure you'll be seeing it on my channel again soon. And be sure to subscribe to him. And he's making some videos on this car. And be sure to subscribe to me for more Miata GTI and now WRX content. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.